Good morning, students. Welcome to your teleeducation class. So, students, how are you all? Must be fine. Well, I'm also good. So, boys and girls, do you remember what we discussed in our last class? যোৱাটো ক্লাছত আমি কি পঢ়িছিলো তোমালোক মনত আছেনে? Well, আছে চাগে? We talked about what? Very good. We talked about describing people, right? What is described? What we learned that day on that topic? We learned about different set of words that are used to describe the features of a person. এজন মানুহৰ বৰ্ণনা দিবলৈ যিবিলাক বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ শব্দৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা যায় সেই শব্দবোৰৰ বিষয়ে আমি যোৱাটো ক্লাছত শিকিছিলো হয়নে? So continuing with the same thing, we will discuss something that would be even more interesting in today's session. Okay? So what are we going to discuss? Let's see. So shall we begin? Here we go then. As you all know, this is an English language skills class, right? So what do we have in store for us today? We have a nice picture over here. If you look at the screen, যদি তোমালোকে স্ক্ৰীনত চোৱা কি দেখা পাবা যে এটা ল'ৰা আৰু এজনী ছোৱালীয়ে এখন পথাৰত কিবা কাম কৰি আছে এখন পিছফালে ধুনীয়া ৰামধেনু উঠি আছে and the wind is blowing very fast. খুব জোরে বতাহ বলি আছে. So what happens? Oh, the girl was wearing a scarf and wind took that away, right? বতাহ স্কার্ফখন উড়ি গ'ল. So the girl says, sorry, the boy says, wind blew scarf. Wind blew scarf. The girl replies, hey, my scarf is yellow. Hey, my scarf is yellow. So, ল'ৰাজনী প্ৰশ্ন ধেমালি কৰা সুৰেৰে বা কথা প্ৰশ্ন সোধাৰ নিচিনা কৰিছে যে বতাহত স্কাৰ্ফখন উৰি গ'ল. ছোৱালীজনীয়ে কৈছে hey, my scarf is yellow. I didn't talk about the color. I asked if the wind blew your scarf away. Blue and blue are two different words. বুজি পাইছানে এতিয়া? Why the girl said, my scarf is yellow? Because the boy said wind blew scarf, right? So when he said the word blue, the girl thought that it's the color blue. So she said, hey, my scarf is yellow. Then the boy clarifies, saying that I didn't talk about the color. I asked if the wind blew your scarf away. Blue and blue are two different words. Blue and blue are two different words. ইহঁত দুটাৰ শব্দ উচ্চাৰণ একে যদিও ইহঁত দুয়োটাই দুটা different words হয়. How interesting, the girl replies. How interesting. Then the boy says, yes, they are known as homophones. They are words with the same sound but different spellings and meanings. I learned about it in my English class last week. এইবিলাকক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? They are known as homophones. এইবিলাকক আমি homophones বুলি কওঁ যাৰ pronunciation বা sound to একে হয় but their spelling and meaning is totally different. Great. Okay, let's go back home. Mother must be waiting. ছোৱালীজনীয়ে ক'লে বঢ়িয়া এতিয়া ঘৰলৈ উভতি যাওঁ বোলা মায়ে বোধহয় মায়ে চাগে ৱেইট কৰি আছে আমাৰ কাৰণে. Okay, then the boy says flower. They came to a market. এখন ফুলৰ দোকানত আহি ল'ৰাজনে ক'লে flower. Then the girl asked, what? Did mother ask you to buy some? Then he says, no, I meant for you. নহয় মই তোমাৰ কাৰণে বিচাৰিছো. The girl says, me? What will I do with flower? Me? What will I do with flower? Now, তোমালোকে এটা বস্তু নোটিচ কৰিছানে? When the boy said flower, the spelling was Flower, flower, right? And when the girl is saying that, she's saying what? Flour, flour, right? So these two words again, they have same pronunciation. The local pronunciation to एके, but their spellings are different and meaning is also different. What's that? Let's see. Homophone again there, not flour to cook, but flowers for you. Homophone again there, not flowers to cook, but flowers for you. You know, এইটো ৰান্ধাৰ কাৰণ, it's not that তোমাৰ কাৰণে মই ফুলৰ কথাহে কৈছো. Oh, now I get it. Sure. The ছোৱালীজনী ক'লে, oh, now I get it. Sure. মই এতিয়া বুজি পালো. Then what she understood? The blue, B-L-U-E, is the color, whereas B-L-E-W, blue, is the past tense of blow. But এই দুটা শব্দৰে উচ্চাৰণটো একে. Blue is the color, blue is the past tense of blow. Flour, F-L-O-U-R, flour is fine powder used for cooking. That means আমাৰ আটা জাতীয় বস্তু কিছুমান. Flower is a part of a plant. এটা গছৰ এটা part হয়. ফুল সেইটো আমি চবেই জানোৱে, হয় নে নহয়? Alright? So these are together called what? They are homophones. এনেকুৱা শব্দবোৰ যাৰ উচ্চাৰণটো একেই হয়, but স্পেলিংটো বানানটো আৰু তাৰ অৰ্থটো সম্পূৰ্ণ বেলেগ, we call them homophones. And what are homophones? Words with the same sound but having different spelling and meanings. Words with the same sound but having different spellings and meaning. যিবিলাক শব্দ যাৰ সাউন্ডটো একে হয়, উচ্চাৰণটো একে হয়, but তাৰ spelling and meaning are totally different. Alright? So now, here is the first question of the day. So boys and girls, get ready with your clicker. Here is a question coming your way. And to answer this question, I'm going to give you 50 seconds. And your time starts now. All right, it's time up. And the right answer is very good. It's option A, 2. All right, so here is a conversation going on between a father and the son. And the father says, my dear son, when did you get up? And the words highlighted here is what? Son. My dear son, when did you get up? The son replies, I got up before the sun was up. My dear son, when did you get up? I got up before the sun was up. Right? So again, remember the highlighted words. First one was what? Sun, S-O-N, and the second one is S-U-N, sun. Right? So both of them, they are similar sounding, but spellings are different. Listen to this news. What is it? It's about a village boy who faced the tiger. Okay, father said, listen to this news. The boy says, what is it? Then the father says about the village boy who faced the tiger. I think he must have been a brave and grown-up person. You know, ল'ৰাজনে ক'লে ডাঙৰ মানুহ হ'ব চাগে. Now look at the story. In July 2014, a tiger entered 16-year-old Arjun Singh's house in Uttarakhand. In July 2014, 2014 চনৰ জুলাই মাহত, a tiger entered 16-year-old Arjun Singh's house in Uttarakhand. He showed extreme courage and fought it off, saving his mother's life, who had fainted as soon as the tiger entered. Arjun went into a room and picked up a sickle to fight the tiger. As it was too small to hit from a distance, Arjun grabbed two sticks and waved them towards the tiger. He did not stop until the villagers reached there and the animal ran away, seeing the crowd. The villagers hailed their hero. Arjun received the Sanjay Chopra Award. Okay, so this is a story, but there are few things that I want you to look at. First is what? 2 and 2. As it was too small to hit from a distance, Arjun grabbed two sticks. These two words again, what are they? Very good. They are homophones, right? 2 and 2, the other pronunciation isn't it? But the spelling is different and meaning is also different. Then we have one more set. There, there. The villagers reached there and the animal ran away, seeing the crowd. The villagers hailed their hero. Right? So there and there again, same sound, but spelling is different, meaning is also different. All right. So do you think this news is false? The father asked, do you think this news is false? How could a boy fight a tiger? Rahul, it's not about age and strength. It's all about courage and it matters a lot. Then the son says, Devta, even I have courage and strength, but I can't fight a tiger if it attacks me. Father, son argues ki moro ball আছে সাহস আছে, but যদি বাঘে মোৰ ওপৰত আক্ৰমণ কৰে মই এইটো fight কৰিব নোৱাৰো. Then the father mocks and says, "Huh, you have courage. Can you prove it?" Boy says, "Yes, I can." Then the father challenges him, "Can you sleep alone tonight in my office room?" আজি ৰাতি অকলে মোৰ অফিচ ৰুমত শুব পাৰিবা? The boy says, "I will from the first of the next month." Well, অহা মাহৰ আৰম্ভণিৰ পৰা মই কৰিম তাকে. All right then. So, we learned about homophones and we saw a few more. What are those? Sun, sun, two, two, there, there. So what are those? Sound is the same, spelling is different, meaning is definitely different, right? So this is what homophones. Now one more question. Get ready with your clicker, all of you. Again, to answer this question, I'm going to give you 50 seconds and your time starts now. All right, it's time up. Okay, what would be the right answer? It's option B. Okay, now let's see a few more examples of homophones. Okay, আমি আৰু কিছুমান উদাহৰণ চাম homophoneৰ যিটোৱে আমাক সহায় কৰিব গোটেইখিনি বস্তু ভালদৰে বুজি পোৱাত. Okay, so if you look at this one, it says Rohit's answer is right. Mohit wants to write a letter to his friend. Rohit's answer is right. Mohit wants to write a letter to his friend. So we have two words here. First one is RIGHT, right? Second one is WRIT, right? WRITE, right? And first one is RIGHT, right? Second one is WRITE, right? So both of them sound similar, isn't it? But their meaning is totally different. RIGHT, right is what? Hudda hua, right? And the second one is right मैंने की लिखा, right? Okay, so it's time up. Now you need to tell me what should be the right answer, and the right answer is option C. Very good. Okay, now let's have a look at another example of homophones. Homophoneৰ আন এটা উদাহৰণ আমি চাওঁ আহাচোন কি হ'ব পাৰে এইটো I can see the sea from my room. Can you see? I can see the sea from my room. Read the line again. I can see the sea from my room. So, first word is what? See, S-E-E, see. See মানে কি? দেখা পোৱা, right? And SEAC মানে কি? সাগৰ. I can see the sea from my room. So, what are these? C and C, they are what? Homophones. One means what? An ocean, right? বা এটা সাগৰ টাইপৰ বস্তু বুজাব আনটোৱে কি হ'ব দেখা পোৱা so they are what again homophones they are what they mean different they spell different but they sound the same. Oh, there was a picture over there. A cat was drinking the milk, and once it saw the lady, it ran out. So when my mother came into the kitchen, the cat ran away through the window. The line says, when my mother came into the kitchen, the cat ran away through the window. As I threw the ball to Suraj and he caught it. As I threw the ball to Suraj and he caught it. So the lines are what? When my mother came into the kitchen, the cat ran away through the window. As I threw the ball to Suraj and he caught it. So again, if you look at the words true and true, one true means what? Mazere. কিবা এটা বস্তু মাজেৰে through this, through that, মাজেৰে গুচি গ'ল আৰু আনটো কি past form of the verb throw, isn't it? So throw and true, they again are homonyms. এই দুয়োটাই আকৌ এবাৰ homonym হয়. How? Because their meaning is different, their spelling is different, their function is different, but they have the same sound. They have the same pronunciation. Okay. Now one more question. Quickly answer this. So get ready with your clicker, everyone. You have to answer this one. And to answer this one, again, I'm going to give you 50 seconds. And your time starts now. And what should be the right answer? It's option A, right? Okay. Now, next up is what? Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Let's try and do it. Use your pencil and dash the dash answer. Use your pencil and dash the dash answer. So what we have to do? We have two words. First one is WRIT, right? and RICHT. So when you have to use a pencil, what will you do? You will do WRIT or RIGHT. Very good. The first word is what? Right. And the second one is what? Amaki lage Uddhav turtle, right? So we'll say what? Use your pencil and write the right answer. I would like to dash the Arabian Sea. Dash. Words are what? Sea and sea. I would like to dash the Arabian dash. So what would be this one? It's what? I would like to see the Arabian Sea. You know, my Arab to Sabo Bisarim. So I would like to see the Arabian Sea. Alright? Sir, I can't dash you from dash. Would you please speak a bit louder? Sir, I can't dash you from dash. Would you please speak a bit louder? Words are what? Here and here. এতিয়া তোমালোকে মোক কোৱাচোন ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোনটো word আহিব? Very good. The first word that will come into the blank what? H-E-A-R, right? So it should be what? I can't hear you from. It's H-C-R-E. Here, মই ইয়াৰ পৰা আপোনাক ভালকে শুনা পোৱা নাই. So would you please speak a bit louder? So it would be what? It's like that. Then, excuse me. Mumbai Indians dash only dash match against Royal Challengers Bangalore. Mumbai Indians dash only dash match against Royal Challengers Bangalore. So what would be this answer? Your words are W-O-N and O-N-E. So both of them sound what? One, right? So Mumbai Indians is what? It's name of a team. So it's a noun, and the noun should be followed by what? A verb. Very good. So which of these is a verb? Very good. It's W-O-N. So the answer is what? Mumbai Indians won only how many? It's one, right? So Mumbai Indians won only one match against the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. So it's again what? Homonyms, and we have used it accord. Ravi dash the ball, dash the window. So true and throw are words. Ravi dash the ball, dash the window. True and throw are the words. So what are we doing here? Again, we need a verb. Which one is a verb? Very good. T-H-R-E-W. True is the word. So Ravi threw the ball through the window. Use appropriate homophones to fill in the blanks. Again, our we have a fill in the blanks exercise, and for that, what we need to do, we have to use appropriate homophones. You know, our fill blanks exercise আছে যাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব appropriate homophones ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব লাগিব চাও আহাচোন কি আছে I, tail, weak, new, to, blue, I, tail, weak, new, to, blue. All sound same only. Okay. So how will we differentiate them? আমি তেওঁলোকক ইটোৰ পৰা এটাৰ পৰা আনটো কেনেকৈ পৃথক কৰিম কেনেকৈ ডিফাৰেন্ট কৰিম First is when dash was dusting my room something fell into my right dash so I decided to consult a doctor. Okay, so when dash was dusting my room something fell into my right dash so I decided to consult a doctor. So dash was dusting মানে কি মুৰুমটো চাফা কৰি আছিল okay কোনে চাফা কৰি আছিল we need a person isn't it we need a human being in the options which one is a human being very good so it should be what good word is I right so when I was dusting my room something fell into my right dash. I need a homophone for this word I. Where is that one? Very good. It's EYE. So, when I was dusting my room, something fell into my right eye. So, I decided to consult a doctor. When I was dusting my room, something fell into my right eye. So, I decided to consult a doctor. My grandma told me a dash of a dog's dash. Now, well, let's think about it. My grandma told me a dash of a dog's dash. Okay, now dogs means what? It has an apostrophe s after dog, isn't it? Tamaneki, whatever word that will come in the blank, it will be something that a dog possesses, right? So what does a dog possess? Excuse me. So what does a dog possess? Very good. It has a tail, right? তার যা লেজ আছে. So for the second blank, we need a word like tail. So what is the homophone? It's tail, tail, right? So the word would be what? For the first blank, we need the word which will spell like very good. T-A-L-E. My grandma told me a tale of a dog's tail, right? So tail, tail. Raju had fever last dash, so he is dash now. Raju has fever last dash, so he is dash now. Okay, so for the first blank, we need time, right? So which word is giving us time? Very good. It's W-E-E-K, isn't it? So last week, and which one is its homophone? It's W-E-A-K, week, right? So Raju had fever last week, so he is weak now. Weak and weak, both of them again sound same, but their spelling and meanings are totally different. I dash that a dash officer would be asked to help me. What would be the next thing? It's very good. It's KNEW. I knew that a new officer would be asked to help me. Divya has dash pencils, but they are dash short to hold. So what would be the word? How many pencils Divya has? Very good. Divya has two pencils, but they are too short to hold. So it's what? 2 and 2. Then the next word is what? Nayana bought dash color balloon and dash it away. So what would be the word? What color? Very good. It's blue color balloon and blew it away. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now choose the correct words given in brackets to complete the paragraph. You have to choose the correct word. All the students of class 10 went to Nehru Stadium and some of them participated in athletics event. What would be the word? Some or some? Very good. It's SOME, some. A few of them participated in the group events and the others cheered up their, which one would be the word? Very good. It's THEIR, their friends. Mohit was a good runner when the race, it's RACE, race began. All his friends, very good. Can you knew that he, what would be the word? Very good. WOULD, would. Okay. Now, here is a question coming your way. Please get ready with your clicker. To answer this question, I'm going to give you 30 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, so it's time up. What will be the word? It's option B. Very good. All right. So here is an assignment for you all. You need to try and do this at home. এইটো তোমালোকে ঘৰত কৰিব লাগিব. So what does it say? Use the following homophones in sentences of your own. এই যিটো পাঁচটা homophoneৰ set আছে, এইটো তোমালোকে নিজে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব লাগিব in sentences of your own. তোমালোকৰ নিজৰ sentences এইটো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব লাগিব. Right? So try, 10 sentences with these homophones and show it to your class teacher. All right? Now, let's see what are the summaries here. What is a homophone? Homophone is what? Sound is the same, spelling is the different, and meaning is different. Homophones are what? They sound same, but their spelling is different and their meanings are totally different. Right? Example would be what? See, see, hear, hear, true, true, one, one. All right? So these were the homophones. Thank you all. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the query session.